Hello everyone, my name is Ingrid and I will tell you about Karina Mejia. From immigrant to successful entrepreneur. Erika was born on July 39, 186 in the city of San Pedro Sula, Honduras. At the age of 9, she emigrated to the United States with only the $100 in the search of better future and defying the violence in her native country. Cheyenne, he was born into a middle family and experienced the hardships of the living a country with higher rates of violence. In search of better life, she emigrated with barely $200 in the United States I mentioned before. She began working at a playing house, a waitress and the flower shop, which gave her valuable business skills and the market new lively foundation in the world staff use. After gaining experience in the employment agency industry, the founded work staff user in Miami, Florida, service employment agency to help people find a job in various industries. His company grew rapidly and expanded in disparate use states, including Florida, New York, Georgia, Texas, Pennsylvania, and Minnesota. Created over 500 jobs in these first 4 years, providing opportunities for many immigrants. Creation of Global Rose, Bird of Light Roses will operate where staff user Erika began received requests to make floral employment with personal rose expansion, sheer size, um, seizing the opportunity. She founded Global Rose in the 2018, offering her first store in Doral and the second in Miracle Mills, as new as the artificial florist. She has worked with celebrities such as Talia Pitbull, um, Demi Lovato, Camila Cabello, Luis Fonsi, and Anuel AA, among others. Participation in live profile events. Erika has participated in renowned events such as the Premio Lo Nuestro and Latin Grammy Awards where in floral arrangements have embellished the ceremony and the space. Erika is married to Juan Manuel Galvez Alonso, also an entrepreneur, and to her they manage Global Rose and the World Staff USA. They are the parents of 2 children, demonstrating how they have successfully balanced the family and the business life. Erika Mejia has proven to be advanced for women empowerment, not only an entrepreneur, but also a role model for many women struggling to achieve their goals. She is contributing to a change in the perception of women in business and equal opportunities. In 2020, Erica led a humanitarian campaign to college supplies for Honduran families after the big hurricane Eta, which show her commitment to her native country. Gender equality. In 2021, the proposed a cultural change, giving the floor at the Paradise Giants gender stereotype and the promote equality in the celebration. In conclusion, Erica Mejia served as testament to resilience, innovation, and determination from her humble beginning in Honduras to becoming a recognized interpreter in the United States. Her honor inspires story at your experience many to pursue their dreams to modern in the obstacles. Thank you.